Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Today is the day that we're going to be doing our first startup on the G since the new motor and tranny has been put in. As y'all seen in the last video, we left off with it pretty much ready to be started. I got everything back together, motor and tranny in, everything is really supporting its own weight. I just had to take the mount off of the tranny real quick yesterday because I need to screw it into here. I didn't screw it in, I just put it up to make it hold up to the car. But so what I have left to do today, I have to put the shifter cable on back up here, put the drive shaft and all that good jazz. Oh, this train looks kind of messed up right here. I wonder if anything will be wrong with that. Hopefully not. Should just be alright. I didn't see that till just now. Whatever. Anyways, so what I gotta do today, I gotta put the shifter cable back on. I have to finish making the O2 sensors reach up there. Finish extending them. I gotta put the transmission cooler lines back on and put this little subframe back up. After that, I think that's pretty much it. And then I'm gonna start it up. So let me go ahead and button up those little small things, get these O2 sensors finished, and then I'll hit you guys back up when it's time to do this first startup. Alright guys, quick update. Currently draining the oil out. And now that I drain the oil out, oh, I didn't get to show you guys. So I made the O2 sensors, I extended them, made them longer. I gotta put those up and I gotta put the downstream in next. But as of right now, pretty much it. I'm gonna put oil in it right now, and I'm gonna put coolant in it, put the filter on, and then we're gonna start it. Put the battery back in, and we're gonna start it. Oh yeah, just in case you guys didn't know, if you do your own oil changes on your G's or Z's, use a Honda oil filter, like a Honda or Acura oil filter, because it's a little bit bigger and it still fits. So you guys can do that. But let me finish putting these little stuff together, and then I'm gonna start up in a minute. Alright guys, I got 4.5 quarts of tranny fluid in here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the oil in. I'm gonna try to find a spot where you guys can sit up and see me. Probably like right there. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put the royal purple in there. I heard really good things about this, so I got two 1030s, and then I got a 5 gallon of the 530. 1030s shouldn't hurt. It's a little bit heavier, but alright guys, moment of truth. I'm going here and trying to give it our first startup. I have not started this car yet, I haven't even tried it. It's the first time I'm about to even attempt to try to start it. Hopefully all goes well. Let's just pray for the best. Look at here, go ahead. I know this one.
Yeah, I know that tight. Look behind that.
All right, y'all, so that was first startup. It starts up and it runs, but I gotta tighten the belt down and figure some other stuff out real quick. All right, guys, so another problem, but I don't know what. The car's running, runs good, runs perfect. Now, for some awkward reason, the transmission isn't communicating with the rest of the car. So what do I mean by that? For one, I gotta check AT light, and then I keep getting like transmission's not communicating, and then another thing is the dashboard isn't showing me what gear I'm in. Now supposedly that's supposed to be something with a TCM, but I don't know. Like I thought maybe because it's JDM it needs to be programmed or something. I don't know, but runs perfect, runs good, but I don't know how to get the other situation with transmission figured out. So I guess we're gonna keep trying to figure this situation out, and then whenever we figure something out, I'll let you guys know, hopefully by the end of the day. But this car is just turning into more and more of a headache. But I guess when we figure something out, I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, so after a whole 2 days of figuring it out, we think it might be the transmission. Still not 100% sure. But we're gonna take the transmission back out and take it back to JDM World and see if we can get another one. And then hopefully that fixes the issue. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I just came back from JDM World and the guy there said that it's probably the transmission to bring it back. So I'm gonna go ahead and start snatching it back out again, and then we'll get another one. I guess I'll let you guys let me watch it. I guess I'll let you guys watch me take it out. This car is pure hell right now. Pure hell. Alright y'all, my GoPro just now died like right at the last second of me taking this out, but we just got it down now. I'm about to go take it back to JDM World, and I'm gonna probably get another one. I'm gonna get another one actually. It sucks that this one was bad because I was almost done with this, and we was about to get ready to go drive it and some more shit. Now we can't. But anyways, let me get this back to JDM World, and then I'll let you guys know what we're doing next. Alright guys, so I just came back from JDM World. They gave me a new transmission. This one looks a lot newer than the other one did. So hopefully this one works. They actually had this one still attached to the motor. They was taking it apart when I got there, so hopefully this one works. Hopefully this one goes in and it works the way it should. I really hope that this works. I don't want to have to do this again. This car is being a pain in the ass. wow, I'm just not having the best luck with this one. But that's gonna be it for this video. I don't even know how long this video is gonna be. I really just been all over the place today. I went to my brother's graduation and some more crap today. So thank you all for watching. And tomorrow we will continue with this, putting this thing back in there.